Hello everyone, today I will show you how to disassemble iPhone 8 Plus and replace the battery. To disassemble iPhone 8 Plus you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display, tweezers, opening plastic tool and any hairdryer. In the description under the video I leave link to necessary tools and parts for replacement. I also recommend using a magnetic mat when disassembling the iPhone 8 Plus, and lay out screws in the order of the disassembly process, because all screws are different size and it's enough just to get confused during assembly. Before disassemble, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Take a screwdriver Pentalobe 0.8 mm and unscrew the two screws near charging port. Take a hairdryer and heat display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Next, fix the section cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Take a plastic mediator and try to separate the display from the iPhone. If you cannot separate using a mediator, you can take a plastic card. Open the display to the right side like a book. Unscrew 4 screws and remove the metal panel. Disconnect the battery cable from the iPhone motherboard. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Now you can disconnect 3 cables of display from the motherboard. To replace the battery, you need to remove the Taptic engine. Unscrew 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Now, unplug the antenna, disconnect it from the mainboard and remove from the case. Disconnect the Taptic engine and unscrew the 3 screws. Now you can remove the Taptic engine. Take tweezers and catch on the edge of the silicone tape. Slowly pull the silicone tape away from the battery. Now you can remove and replace the battery. In the description under the video you find link where you can buy new battery for iPhone 8 Plus. A new battery must be glued to the metal part of the case, but do not glue the battery to the wireless charging module. You can glue the battery with double-side tape or with special silicone tapes, similar to the original tapes that you removed from the battery. In my case, I glued on the double-side tape because right now I don't have silicone tape. Install the Taptic engine, fix with 3 screws and connect the cable. Install the antenna and connect to the mainboard. Install the metal panel and fasten 3 screws. Now you can connect the display and check how iPhone works with new battery. To check functionality of all smartphone functions, it is enough to connect 3 cables through the display module and then the battery cable. Turn over the display, turn on the iPhone and check how iPhone works before final assembly. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Take the medicine alcohol and wipe the case. Also wipe the display case. Now, begin to restore the water resistance of the iPhone 8 Plus. For this, take a waterproof adhesive tape. A link to this adhesive tape you can find in the description under the video. First, connect 3 cables of the display module to the iPhone 8 Plus motherboard and only then connect the battery cable. Install the metal panel and fasten all screws. Turn over the display and press it all the way around the perimeter of the iPhone display. Fasten the last 2 screws near the charging port and install the SIM card tray. Turn on iPhone 8 Plus and use the smartphone.